Ay, wag mo likutin yan, anak. Okay, so this one is for mommy. Ganda niya, guys. So, ito, discounted ko lang siya nabili. Sa Shopee. Ayan. Okay, anak. Last na to. Wow! Wow! Say hi, guys! Hi, guys! Okay. Okay, so, mag-open po tayo ng mga binili ni Mommy sa 11/11 sale mula sa Pen Shop. Yay! Say yay! Say yay! Yay! Okay, so, bakit po tayo bibili sa mall kung discounted po sa Shopee Mall? So, sa Shopee na lang po tayo bibili. Ayan. Yay! Good job! So, this one is for Daddy. This is for Daddy. Ganda. Oh my God! No, anak! No. Okay, this is for Daddy. Ganda. And then, this one is for Mommy. This one is for Mommy naman. Ay, wag mo likutin yan, anak. Okay, so this one is for Mommy. Ganda niya, guys. So, ito, discounted ko lang siya nabili. Sa Shopee. Ayan. Okay, anak. Last na to. Wow! Wow! So, this one is for Mommy again. Size small siya, na semi-fit. Ganda. Feeling ko kasya naman siya sa akin. And then, ang color noon ay blush, guys. This one is for Daddy again. Wow, this is for Daddy. Size medium naman si Daddy. Yan. Wow, di ba ang nice? Wow, and the last one is this. Wow. So, this is Mommy's pants. Mommy's pants na size 26. Ayan. Hindi na kasha. Oh my God, parang ang laki niya. Pero feeling ko kasha naman. Size 26. And ang nagustuhan ko dito is yung baba niya. Ganyan siya. Ganito yung baba. Yan. Okay, so my son is gonna daddy na. Say bye na. Okay. Say bye. Bye, guys. Flying kiss mo. Flying kiss sila, guys. Flying kiss.